Here's what I tell anyone looking at a hotel or an Airbnb here in the Killington area. Look at the bottom line price to do a comparison. But also remember that when you're at an Airbnb, you typically are gonna get a kitchen. So you can factor into the price of not having to take your family out to breakfast and be delayed. You wanna go do your activities, so you can just have a bowl of cereal and get out the door, or you can make a giant breakfast if you want. Or you can go out to eat, but you do have options. So the cost of food should be weighed into the total cost of the vacation when you're looking at one or the other.